Yo, yo, yo! This is Hella Products. It's been a long time.
Ho, ho, ho!
Yo, yo, yo! Oh, you guys are like cut off. Let me adjust this camera so that we can see.
Nothing.
Oh goodness, there we go. All right.
Yo, yo, yo!
What are we gonna review today, boys?
Laser guns.
Whoa.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh no, we're not. Are we?
Yeah, we are.
What is that?
It's a box with lasers. Which we're gonna shoot you with.
Okay, so this.
Get joke shoot
Okay,
you
let
with.
me show
We're
them.
gonna shoot you with. We're gonna
This
shoot
right
you
here
is a box.
is the Dynasty laser tag system, and it's a pretty sweet setup, I have to admit. Even the box it comes in, like, it has this nice, very solid handle. Like, this is not like a box you would. It feels like a box that that Apple sends products in. So yeah, it feels like one of those like Mac Air boxes. Very solid.
Yeah.
Now when we open it, it actually opens like almost like a really precious.
No, when you close
Gun
it, it's
box.
like there's a magnet.
It has a
under
magnet. Is that okay? So we'll show the magnet that it closes. You feel that? Open it, and then we'll close it one more time to demonstrate the beautiful magnet.
Cool.
Alright.
That just like chipped my skin.
Did it?
It was like,
Are you all right, boy?
yeah, I don't care.
Okay, here we go.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Then you open it.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. And you
And
find
then-
these.
It's like a little gun case. And there's actually 4 of them in this extreme pack.
Because it's under.
But Ryan, just take one of yours, and we'll just demonstrate the 2. And put this beautiful case away. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Should I turn it on to show them? Shoot somebody.
All right, so let's go over the operations of the Dynasty
Okay,
gun.
so this is how to turn it on.
Okay.
And this is how to switch the team.
So how do you know what team you're on?
By this. See the color? Green,
Can you get in the frame?
white,
Well, maybe pull this chair over.
white, blue,
Mm-hmm.
and back to red.
Okay.
So I thought it was green.
All right,
And
now.
also there's a green
now,
one. And
Ryan,
there's purple
Ryan.
too.
Okay.
Do it again. See? There was purple. That was why.
Okay, now, Ryan, why don't you demonstrate how to select the weapon? Here, you
Okay,
come down.
sir.
Ryan, go up. You can come up.
So this is your gun that you bought. And then here, right here, is your team. And here is how you switch your gun. It's how you have to hit this, and then that's how you switch.
Yeah, we should emphasize that point, because when we were trying to change the weapon,
We didn't know how.
we kept pressing this alone. Really, can you stop that for a second?
Yep.
We kept pressing this alone, thinking this is how you select the weapon. But here, right now... Oh. Stop.
Hey, you shot me.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. It must have reflected off the wall. So that's ricochet. Okay, so I can hear...
Hey, that's a... Stop!
All right, turn your zing off. Turn
I
off.
want to shoot you now. That's
No,
rocket.
did nothing to me. That's funny. Maybe it has a point it this way.
Wait, okay.
Reload. Okay.
We lost the
So
line.
let's just be clear here. When you want to change the weapon, if you press this alone, boom, 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 not gonna do it. You gotta go press once, and then reload down here.
Now fire at me.
So now that's a shotgun. Turn that off. Turn that off for a
I have
second.
1 health left.
Yeah.
You have
We're
9.
gonna go over that in a second.
I want to get my
Turn
gun.
this off for a second.
I want to get a gun.
No, Brendan. We're only doing one gun at a time. Please,
Okay.
please, come back here.
Okay.
Stay focused.
Let me
Okay.
up here.
So to select, you press, like right now it's a shotgun. I'm gonna press this selection, and then I'm gonna press this, and it's gonna change to
Machine gun.
assault rifle. Press this again. Rocket launcher.
Yeah.
Okay, so the rocket launcher actually obviously does the most damage, but you can't do rapid fire. So watch this. Reload the rocket launcher, fire. Can't.
You have to do
You have
it
to wait
right
till it's all
after-
done. Then you can reload it and do another one. Now, if I change it to
I don't have this one.
this is pistol. Watch this. Watch the pistol rapid fire. See?
Oh, yeah, wrong.
Okay, now
I'm almost dead.
let's talk about how people know when how many times if they've been hit or not. Stop. Okay, let's tell people how. You guys want to explain?
Okay. So everybody has 9 lives. So it goes 3 lives in here. When you get hit, it goes to fast blink, and then slow blink, and then light out. One of them out. But if you use rocket, one of them goes out. Literally. And then if you do 3 rockets at the person, but all 3 of them die. Out.
So if I had a pistol and I want to kill you,
You'd
how
have to
many
shoot
times?
9 shots.
Because 3 times.
3 is 9.
Is that right, Brandon?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now if I had a.
Mhm.
So you just shot me here. Now this is blinking.
Yeah, and if I shoot him one more time.
Okay. Now I'm dead
Yeah, see?
because
It's
all my
blinking.
lives are gone.
And it's blinking.
This is blinking.
And you
I
can't
can't
shoot.
reload nothing.
Sometimes people.
Now, hold on. Let's talk about one of the issues that we've encountered
Yeah.
playing this game.
Mhm.
Okay.
We have
What
a-
happens when some people
They cheat. They cheat.
what did Brandon do when we played?
Oh, okay, like this. Now, Brandon, this guy right here, he cheated by going like this. Ha ha ha. And then getting more lives. And having 3 lives back.
Yeah. So that's not cool. So if I were playing this game, you either have to have everybody on the honor system,
Mhm.
or you need to have referees that are making sure people don't
What happened?
sort of respawn themselves.
Respawn. Respawning is bad.
Now, if I were designing this, so if I were to give feedback to Dynasty, if we were to give feedback to Dynasty,
Mhm.
let's ask you guys. What? Oh, dude, you almost jumped on our beautiful box.
Hey, he pushed
Please
me.
put the box back.
He pushed me.
Put the box top back on.
Now. That was his fault, by the way.
Daddy needs a cup of coffee soon. Okay. If you were designing this product,
Mm-hmm. Then
how
you
would you address this concern with the cheaters?
Maybe you die, and when everybody dies, then the game restarts.
What?
The game restarts.
Well, how would you prevent Brandon from respawning himself after he dies?
Oh, maybe if he respawns, then he can't he can't play for his gun can't work for some time maybe.
Huh?
Or I don't to stop him from cheating. Maybe the gun is just disabled until
what?
Everybody's dead.
I see. So you wouldn't allow any gun to respawn on that team
Yeah.
until all of the team is killed
Yeah.
or the game is over.
Yeah.
What about you, Brandon?
I would.
If you were Dynasty,
Oh,
what would
maybe
you do?
there should be a camera here.
uh-huh.
A camera, cameras all over. Right here. So
Mhm.
then they could see if they reset it.
Okay.
And then it would send it back to the.
Okay, these are expensive options. I have a suggestion that's it's not foolproof,
Yeah.
but yeah. What I would do is when the gun is on, and then it gets killed,
Mhm.
right?
And you have to reset it.
And the person resets it, that it would do a very loud, audible thing
What
for
they would say,
10 seconds, saying, respawning, 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 respawning. So it's very clear that someone is cheating.
like this.
No, but see, that's not- yeah.
Respawning.
Right? Another option is now this would be more expensive. You could have one like game master that has some special thing that when you respawn, they have to like put in a special code to like to allow it. But again, that's expensive. So overall, how do you guys feel about this product? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, now do you want to?
You're on the same team.
How about we finish this by doing a shootout? Very close quarter shootout. Okay?
Hey, can I get a gun?
You ready? All right, now you go get your gun.
I'll get a blue one. I'm blue. No, I'm blue.
Now you gotta stay in the camera frame.
Let's see, what am I? Now let me just shoot you. Demonstration.
Hey, stop it. Dude, now you've injured me. I have to respawn.
That's only because...
Okay, what colors are you guys?
Ready. Oh, we're blue. We're blue.
No, are you both going to be on the same team?
Yeah.
So
I'll be,
I'm going to be red.
I'll be white. I'll be green.
I'll be red.
I'll be white. I'll be green.
Okay, hold on. Don't shoot.
I'll just be blue now.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Yeah, no. Yeah.
I'm
No,
ready.
I'm not ready. Okay, this one's good.
Ready?
Yeah.
On 3, ready?
Hey, no, that's not fair.
1,
Ryan's gonna win.
2, 3. Are you the same color as me?
Yeah. I died.
All right, you're dead. Show them.
See?
Show them that you're dead.
Blinking. Now. I'm gonna be on Ryan's team.
How are you not dying? Are we the same color? Hold on. Are we the same color?
No.
Wait, you are dead.
What?
He's dead. This was blinking the whole time.
No, she just said, you know, I had blink one last life.
All right. Well, as you can see, I won. I had 1 life left blinking, so he almost got me. You are dead.
No, you meant you dead.
Yeah, you just shot me again because you did see the
See?
it should have
See
said
that there?
respawning. Brandon cheated. So overall, we'll put a link down in Amazon below if you want to buy one. They're pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep it real.